Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. Today's video is pretty exciting considering it's a giveaway. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, RetroArch has been a hot topic recently in the emulation and retro gaming communities, partially because they were hacked a little while back, but they have been recovering in style. RetroArch is now coming to Steam. I just did a video on this. Well, I did a video on this over a year ago, and then I just did the beta video on this just the other day. So anyways, RetroArch is coming to Steam in beta form right now. It's a closed beta. You can only get it if you have a special beta code. Now, there are a ton of people trying to get beta access to RetroArch on Steam. It's an incredibly hot commodity right now. Fortunately, the fine folks over at Libretro have reached out and provided me 10 free keys. Yes, 10 free beta keys that will get you RetroArch. Well, it's going to be free when it's released, but you can get it now. So there are 10 free keys that I'll be giving out to 10 viewers of this video. Now, to enter this giveaway is extremely simple. I don't like to have confusing giveaways. I don't like to have giveaways with a whole ton of different stipulations. I like things to be simple and straightforward, and I don't know how much more straightforward I can get than this. There are 2 conditions in order to enter. The first one, let me know in the comments below which is your favorite game that you like to emulate. Out of all the retro games out there, all the ROMs that you have, which one is your favorite? The second thing, let me know in the comments below, in the same comment, your contact information. That way I can reach out to you if you do win. All I need is an email or a Twitter account. Really anything that I can reach out to you on and provide you the key. I will be choosing 10 lucky people in order to win a Steam key at complete random from the comments below. If you win, awesome. If you don't, I'm sorry, I only have 10 Steam keys to give away. I might get more in the future, I might not. I'm completely at Libretro's mercy. And speaking of Libretro, they might be releasing some more keys in the future, so I will leave their social media in the description below so you can check them out. If I find out any more information about them releasing any more keys, I will leave an update in the community tab on this YouTube page. Anyways, that is all I've got for today. A huge shout out to the Libretro team for creating RetroArch, for being a massive part of the emulation community. Honestly, a lot of the things we have today wouldn't be possible without all of the efforts from everybody at Libretro. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care and good luck.